Zebec has crashed over 20% today. Let's cover what are the critical levels here for Zebec to the downside and potential targets back to the upside. I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains every single day. I've been warning for many days now over on TikTok and other platforms that Zebec was overbought and was coming back for a massive pullback, and here we are. Is this the beginning of a larger pullback, or are we finding a support bottom here and starting to pump back up? We're going to be covering all these questions here in this video, so make sure you're smashing those likes, hitting that subscribe, and let's jump right into it. Right now, Zebec has fallen out of its previous week range here. As you guys can see, we double topped here around 0.0070 twice back in May 29th and back over on June 2nd before rotating this entire previous week range all the way back to the downside. Before we talk about targets to the upside, we're looking here at the 4-hour for potential larger pullbacks here and where could we be headed. So far right now, we came all the way to the value area high and the daily NPOC of 0.0043, which is the value area high of the month of May, and have bounced off of that on the 4-hour. If we continue to fall lower and we fall within this range here of the month of May, our targets to the downside first off is going to be this weekly average of 0.0036, and below that is a macro gold pocket from this move all the way down here back on April 30th to this local top, and that gold pocket is sitting at 0.003218.7 for another pullback from where we're at right now. That is a total pullback from where we're at all the way down here, another 30% pullback potentially, right? Potentially if we lose the support here at the 0.0042. Now, over here in the Crypto Citadel, you guys already know we've been trading Zebec. I have not been holding any long-term Zebec, but I've been taking shorts, I've been taking longs, and we've been printing money either way. This morning, we took a Bitcoin long today on June 3rd, and all three TPs hit. We hit TP 1, 2, 3, and we closed out for a 345% win today, which is fantastic. So if you're not in the Crypto Citadel, you want to catch some signals, you want to catch some macro long-term, you're like, oh, Crusader, I'm not really a trader. I don't really take trades. But if you want to catch long-term analysis for all of you guys that are long-term holders, posting a ton of macro analysis here, breaking it down very easily to digest so you guys completely understand, even if you're complete beginners, understand what is happening in the markets, and you can start actually consuming data and not just blindly reacting to the markets. Now, back over to Zebec. Now, back over on Zebec. Targets to the potentially downside was this macro gold pocket. Worst case scenario, if we lose that gold pocket, we could be dropping down within the month of May all the way down to its monthly naked point of control of 0.001828, which is a major retracement of from where we're at already after this pullback, another 50 to 60% pullback. I don't expect that to happen right now. I'm not really expecting that, but you all need to be aware, right? Zebec has ran over 200, 300% in the last 60 days, right? Right now in the monthly, it says 138, but actually in the last 60 days, it's ran over 200 to 300%. So a larger pullback always is possible when these smaller market cap cryptos have such large runs, right? People will take profits. People will dump. Now, to the upside, if Zebec did find support here and we do not head lower, right? If we do not head lower for Zebec, our potential push to the upside here, first off, we need to get back within the previous week range. We have a gold pocket up at 0.0061, which lines up with this daily untapped average as well of 0.0062. So this is a push to the upside from where we're at right now to this target up here of this gold pocket is a 35 to 36% move to the upside for Zebec. For everybody was expecting a pullback, or if you weren't, I've been warning you guys of a pullback. If you guys were FOMOing in here at the top, this is a prime example of why you do not FOMO. You do not chase massive green candles. There will always be a pullback. There will always be a better entry. And this right here, right now, not saying that this is an ideal or optimal entry, but this is a way better entry than buying up here all the way up at 0.007, right? So this is where I'm looking at for Zebec. Could this be an area of interest of support to continue pushing to the upside? Maybe, but if we do head lower, you need to be prepared to dollar cost average if you are buying up here, because if not, you're going to be heading a lot lower, and it could be taking a long time before we get back up here. This is why I don't chase these things. This is why I'd rather take trades on them, in and out, short day trades, whether you're shorting or you're longing, instead of long-term diamond handing and then getting caught holding a bag. Guys, I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains every single day. If you're not already in the Crypto Citadel, definitely go do so and join. Use the code Citadel down below to get 50% off your first month to try it out. I'll see you guys in the Crypto Citadel. See ya.